This video is going to be changing out the dry belt. This is a Tory TB360. This is a 2015 model. It's the mulcher, as you can see. So basically what you do is you pull up the chute and then I can't get a good picture on it. And then you open up the little cover here, and you have two screws down here, 1, 2 1/4-inch nut drivers. Then you pull this metal bracket up. On the other side here, this side right down here, it just slips on top of the nut right through that hole right there. You can see that thing slides down on top of it, and you pull it loose and pop it off. You have to take your cable here off. It's mounted down on this particular piece, and I just have the screw back in here because that goes on the cover right there. That cover fits in here. You can kind of see where it fits along these edges here, up around through here. You can pull that off, pull this up, pull it out of the way, and then your belt would be stuck around the things. And I've already pulled the belt out. And also I have the bottom pulley part of it off as well. This is on the bottom, so you literally take the blade off and this part just slides down the shaft. So when I go put it back together, I'll put the belt back on here first, and then I'll attach this and slide it back on the shaft and tighten everything up. So there you have it. Tory Bilt TB360 rear bag mulching side discharge mower, 2015 model. I almost started taking the wheels off, and then I was like, there's got to be an easier way to do this, and sure enough there was. All right, I hadn't found this on YouTube. That's why I wanted to do a video of it so you can see it's not that hard. All right, have a good day.